In this video, I'm sharing a recipe of Mushroom Matar Methi Malai made without any oil and any malai. For this, I am taking 250 grams of methi leaves. We need to break the stem and then chop it up like this. After that, I'm going to wash it because it's easier to chop it when it's dry. So I prefer to chop it first and then I wash it. Next, I'm going to steam 2 packets of mushrooms and boil 250 grams of peas. Here I have a handful of soaked cashews. I'm going to blend it with some water to make a thick cream. In a heavy bottom pan, I'm taking chopped onions and ginger with hot water. I'm going to mix this and let it cook. Once it changes color and it's dry and looks like this, we're going to add the mushrooms and peas in this. Also add some salt and the methi leaves. Mix it well and let it cook for a few more minutes. While this is cooking, in a separate small pan, I'm going to do the tadka. Red chilli powder, turmeric powder, garam masala and coriander powder. Refer to the description box for exact quantities of all ingredients. Cook this just for a few seconds till the time you get aroma of these spices. Now add this to the mushroom and peas. Mix it well and then add the cashew cream. Mix it well and add some hot water. Cook it for just a few more minutes and stir it well. The dish is ready. Garnish with some more cashew cream and enjoy with salad and chapati. Oh, it's delicious. Thank you for watching this video. If you want more tips and healthy recipes, then subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram.